Oh, this is Harry J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have another pair of Panama Jack natural lifestyle boots for you guys. You see this lovely looking pack. I always love this pack of Panama Jack. Obviously this is made in Spain, no Chinese. This side, right, and made in Spain. Here also other information is written. Price of this lovely looking boots, 170 euro. You can buy different places, 170 to $200 or more, could be depend on the places. Okay, here we go. Without any further ado, let me take this box. Out. Beautiful packaging, lovely brand. Let me take this up from here. You see how beautiful they are. Wow, magnificent, beautiful, very tall. You see almost 6 inches, if I'm not wrong, 6 to 8 inches, something as this. Very tall boot, lovely. See, is written here more information. We close. Panama Jack, natural life and style, made in Spain, the original since 1989. Wow, beautiful, real leather. Feel at your hand, and it's light. The sole, let me show you from. You can see the map at the bottom. This look more elegant than before. They're updating the sole, but look at this. It has a very strong grip. Can hold over the mountain, whatever, but this is a fashion boot, obviously. Look how beautiful for snow, for cold weather in Europe. Look at this one. This is steel or tin, some material as this. The branding is improving more and more every time. Made in Spain. Wow, look at this. Awesome. Look at the lace. Okay, I think we have more thing inside. We have this one for protection, for clean as well. You can clean this one. You can use more things, some paper inside, and the less take out. So this should go as this here and tuck here as well. So wow, this is awesome, comfortable, warm. The boot looks very warm inside and tall boot. Let me check another one what we have here. This is nothing else inside the box, the same. This is for the protection also. You can use later for clean your boot as well. Beautiful. Look at the stitching, the maximum you can ask for a boot. Premium, this is it. You see here. Wow, the jeans obviously should go inside. Magnificent, beautiful boots. When you take at your hand, you feel the premium quality that you'll not find in cheap boots. In Timberland, in Panama Jack, you feel that premium quality. Also in Solomon, you can feel this premium quality. Very high, very durable quality. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.